Great, the trade is closed again in plus. A good sessions we are starting, so we have plus 288 bucks. Hello traders, today we will trade on shares of famous companies, so such as Boeing, Visa, Tesla, Microsoft, Facebook and Apple. So you ask it in the comments, so for you, especially for you my traders, so I'm doing this on purpose. So well, as a bonus, as usual, I'm showing a private strategy, so with which you can earn easily money. So let's go. So dear traders, we are immediately moving to the pocket option. Our balance is $12,771. So the transaction amount, let's leave at 150 bucks for now. We change the transaction time to 30 seconds. Here is a chart of two indicators. There is a bears and bulls power. So let's show their parameters. The downtrend indicator, so responsible for the bears, and the indicator bulls power, who is responsible for the uptrend, aka the red one, an increase in the trend. So our trend goes into the upper direction. We will trade on Boeing shares, no Visa card, so I think everything is clear. Tesla, I think it's not worth explaining. What is it? So Microsoft, Facebook, your favorite Apple. So I have singled out 6 ones. So let's go straight to the first share and let's immediately start our trading. Here we open a trade for an increase. Let's share the color to yellow to make it more convenient for you. So the chart here is quite cyclical, so this is decrease, increase, decrease, increase. We have reached the support area. I'm highlighting it here at the point, and that's exactly why we have started a reversal. So look at the indicators, guys. 2 indicators are pointing up, that means an uptrend. Until the end of the transaction we have 3 seconds left and the deal is closed in profit, in the plus. So I remind you that all transaction data is broadcast to our Telegram channel. So don't forget to follow the link in the description as usual. So right now they are published so that you don't miss the next trades. So go, everything is free, absolutely. In the meantime, we are moving to the second currency pair. We open trades for a fall and immediately begin the general analysis. Here we highlight the area of support that was there, but since we overcame it, it became an area of resistance. So we rolled back down, then again we reached the area of resistance, and again we will rock back in the lower position. So I also highlighted the general trend. So from the charts here you can see that the bears prevails on bulls. Let me remind you, this is a downward trend. So yes, the line is a green, but indicator is downward trend. So great, the trade is closed again in plus. A good sessions we are starting, so we have plus 288 bucks. So we trade as always, we don't forget, on pocket option broker, on binary options. Here is a fairly convenient site, one of the most convenient that I ever seen, so if not the most one. So that's why I chose it, and my traders and my team too. But we have already switched to the third share. This is Tesla, vroom, everyone's favorite cars. Elon Musk, hello. I think everyone knows him. We immediately highlight the global downward trend. According to the last graph and from the last section of the graph, we see that the situation is here quite cyclical. We see, I showed the reversal that we had on the general chart, and we see that we have bears prevailing over bulls. So the bears, I remind you, is a decline, and below are red candles in simple words. And this deal is close to in plus, so we have plus 288 in total profit. The balance we have already 13,185 bucks, so we have passed this mark. I also want to stop a little more on the Telegram channel and tell you a little about what exactly the base is. There is the publication of signals, so I open transaction and the person sitting, he published all the signals, so the currency pair, the stock on which I opened, in which direction it was opened, up or down, so on what time, and you just copy it. Easy. So it's quite simple. And for now we will move on fourth currency pair. I'll open it and also tell you a little about TG, of course. So in the TG there is also the most important thing, so connection with me personally. So you can ask any question. So from the platform, if you have any questions, you can ask them. I'll answer and I will help you. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or are disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. So my free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can replicate manually or automatically by connecting to my trading profile, Social Trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. So need to make $50 to $1,000 per day? Join my Telegram group right now. Here you will find success stories of new buys and real results online. So the number of places is limited, so don't miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. So here we opened trade for decline. By the way, you see we have constant reversals, but the general trend is upward. But we are catching a reversal. We opened a downward deal. So we see here the bears, so downward trend, are prevailing. So also, dear traders, don't forget to put your likes, your beautiful likes, and write comments. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. So as well, you can go to the video tab and watch all the videos. They're very pretty, cool, and useful. So well, there are also plenty of training videos, how to register on pocket option, how to withdraw, how to replenish your balance, how to use indicators, how to set settings. So we have all this shit on our channel, especially in mine. So in meantime, we switch to Facebook shares. We open up trade. So we see according to two indicators, we have an upward trend, and here we have a cyclical situation again. And it's quite simple and uncomplicated. So we see the candles are decreasing. So the green one, which opened, has a rather pleasant volume. So we still have a couple of seconds left until the end of the transactions. And this trade unfortunately closed at zero. I was so happy. Oh my god, fuck. As I always say, zero is good, it's not a minus, but I didn't expect it. What the fuck? So okay, in principle, let's say there are no 100% strategies, so you know it, remember. So because if you trade in the long term, let's say 50 currency pairs, 100 currency pairs, you will still have trades in minus or zero. So, but it's clear that we often trade on a small number of currency pairs in the video, so often I get trades of 90%. So since so far we're taking a small quantity, so but for a long term time, so you will still be in profit, so don't worry about it. So we opened a bullish trade on Apple shares. I highlighted the area of support, we reached it, and there is a very high probability that we will have a reversal in our case. And we see the chart is really unfolds. As I said, the candles began to sharply decrease and the indicators are directed, both of us, in the upward direction. So the transaction is also closing in plus. Great, up. So let's, dear traders, conclude our small trading session with this. So we traded today on 6 currency pairs, so the balance I highlighted, so we see it is $13,460. So we also raised a good deal with you today, so congratulations. So I remind you that 5 currency pairs were in plus and 1 fucking at zero, but it's okay. So we didn't see it. And total winnings from our transactions, so about 90%. So I remind you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, of course, subscription, comments, so my Telegram channel, so there are a lot of useful things there, tricks, so social trading also there, so it's even better follow, so the link is in the description as usual, and bye bye.